Say hello.
Um,
Hey everybody, we are fixing to make something so fun, an ice cream cake for the 4th of July. It is hot here. We have been outside and running errands, but we wanted to do this real quickly so that we could show you how to do it and you can have it on your 4th of July table for your celebration. So it's so easy. We're just going to put it together basically. So what I did was I bought a pound cake from the freezer department in the grocery store, and it was a little bit. You see yourself in there?
Yeah.
So usually they would be kind of tall, but they're kind of not as deep as they used to be.
Blueberries, Ding.
Okay. So I just cut it in half, and this is going to be a red, white, and blue cake. And so what we're going to do first is put ice cream on our cake.
So red and blue and white cake.
Right. So you want to put some ice cream on it?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. We've been tasting, and we determined that it's very yummy. There you go. We'll scoop it all up and then just put it right here on the cake. Can I help you? Good job. And put it right here. On top of the cake. Now it's whenever you squeeze it. Well, you have to turn it over. We're having a lesson as well today. So all you do is you just take your ice cream, and you do scoops and I'll do slices, and put it on your cake. Now this was the only strawberry ice cream that they had, but it has a little bit of red in it, but it is delicious. So I think you're going to really enjoy it. But just get whatever strawberry ice cream that you can find, or you can use vanilla ice cream and just let your strawberries and blueberries be the red and blue part of your red, white, and blue cake. So this has been out a bit, as you can tell. So what we'll do is we'll put it back in the freezer as soon as we can, and then it'll freeze up, and then you take it out. Good job, baby. Thank you. And then we'll take it out. Okay, right there. There you go. And then slice it just like a normal cake, and it'll be frozen. It'll all be frozen. And so yummy, y'all. Just so yummy.
I'm going to try to flatten it some.
Well, we can. So you can try and flatten it a little bit, and that does help, actually. Good idea, Nico.
We clicked.
We click-clacked. We sure did. Now, we're going to put this finger looking good, y'all.
I'm going to get one more scoop, a tiny one.
Right there. There you go. Now let's put our strawberries and our blueberries in.
Sure.
Would you like to do it? Can you help that? Or put it in here?
I'll just put it there.
Okay. Strawberries and blueberries.
Okay. Look, ice cream.
So basically then you just decorate your cake with your strawberries and blueberries however you want to. And then whenever you cut it, it'll be red, white, and blue. It'll be just beautiful. This one's sliding off. And then it just I don't know, it's just fun as a dessert. Score! Did you score? There you go, score.
Oh, so close.
So close.
So close.
So close.
Oh man, it went on the floor.
I know, so let's don't do that again, okay? Keep it on this, okay. And then we'll just sprinkle some blueberries. Oh, good, Nico, very good. In it.
I landed on the side.
You did. Okay, so a few blueberries right there. This is a good thing I washed my hands, y'all. Okay, now we're going to take the top of the cake.
Sure. Let me just put one more blueberry on the end.
Okay, can you push it up?
Sure. Are we going to do cake on the top?
We are. Well, we're not going to do ice cream on the top. I'll show you what we're going to do. So on the top, we're just going to add some whipped topping.
Can I do that one? Can I do it with this spoon?
You can. And we're just going to spread it on. And then we'll decorate it with our blueberries and our strawberries too. So it'll whenever we put it in the freezer and then get it out, we'll be able to clean up the trim a little bit. So it's not too bad.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's enough.
I do too.
We took the whole bowl.
I know.
So there's no more. I'll put everything we use there.
Okay. Oh, that's a perfect idea. Now we need to decorate the top with some strawberries and blueberries. You want to do that?
Sure.
Okay. Want to hear some more? You can do the whole strawberries and people can pick them up, or you can do the sliced strawberries.
Or
whichever
you can score with your hands.
Or you can just score, like Nika said. You can just score. I like it. Let's
Throw,
score.
score.
Score. So anyway,
It lands on it.
it does.
Ah, so close.
We are so grateful to live in our country and pray for it, and so grateful for all of you for being part of our family. And I realize that y'all don't know me, but you're still part of Miss Dana's Kitchen family, and man, we appreciate it so much.
Oh,
Good job, baby.
wow.
So this is just a quick little video where we show you something that
You make.
we make to celebrate the 4th of July.
Yeah.
So what do you think, baby?
It's not finished yet.
Oh, okay.
I think we need more blueberries.
Okay, well, a few more blueberries. Maybe I think you kind of did good on the strawberries. Maybe one more down here. What do you think?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's put the last one here.
Oops, have to put it up. It's okay. It's okay. Just
Now I'm going to start over with another strawberry.
okay. And then we're going to tell everybody bon appetit. Okay.
And it's not finished yet.
Okay.
Need more blueberries.
We're going to put a few more blueberries on here, and wish y'all a happy 4th of July. Very happy 4th of July, and bon appetit.